Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Hyundai in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Hyundai Santa Fe. This is the Premium SE, so it does come with an impressive specification. Not only have you got this lovely panoramic sunroof above me, and that one does open as well, which makes it really nice. You've also got front heated electric seats, and they're also ventilated as well, so you can't get too hot or too cold. Climate control, along with satellite navigation, front and rear parking aids, and that does include a rear parking camera as well. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.